So basically what we're having here is Mara is telling the story of how the fact that these DMT trips that she's on, she's starting to have visionary visions. They're not just, garden variety psychedelia. You'll notice that this is all really loose because I have had a habit in my past work of being extremely tight. And in this book, I want to break down all my own rules. I want to, loosen up if you come in close on this, which I'm sure we'll have scans of these to show you later. I'm trying to draw this in a way like Jeff Jones might have. I'm trying to get outside of my own habits. This page is based on a dream I had the night before I took that dimethyltryptamine for like the 10th time. And about that time, this panther came to me on a boulder, and it was between me, which is basically Mara, and this beyond world, which would have been maybe the DMT world. And the panther spoke to me, but when I woke up, I couldn't remember what the panther was saying. I didn't know if the panther was telling me, you are not supposed to go in here anymore, if the panther was guarding me from going in there, if the panther was questioning my worthiness, or if the panther was my spirit animal that was supposed to take care of me. So I'm just going to have little marks here of dialogue that look like, when Woodstock speaks in Peanuts. It's little things that make no sense, right? So I'm taking a lot of my own dreams and incorporating them into Mara's story. And that's basically what that story. And this whole image acts as, in fact, a tribute to Jeff Jones, who was one of my mentors.